Hello guys, today I want to show you how to remove the keys, main keys and the small keys on the Dell Latitude. This one is 7300. I need to do that video to remove the delete key for my daughter, and she's got 5310. The same is on 5300 as well, so probably the same is on 7310 as well, but I only had these three cases: 7300, 5300 and 5310. So I will try to not turn it on, then you will not probably see. So what is the problem here? The problem is this autofocus. I need to make it focus all the time on this place. I'm not sure if it's gonna work or not. Never mind. So here's the tweezers. Take it from the side, and basically I can see straight away that hinge, which is closer to the edge, is going this direction. So I believe slides are here because catches are usually inside. So hinge, which is going this direction, is further. I got a mark here, the black mark, to make sure I'm not gonna break the rubber which is in here. So go underneath and try to get, before I will get the black on the edge, I want to be between the keycap and the catch. Same here. I don't want to be in the middle. I don't want to poke the rubber. These are really sharp tweezers. So this one, I hope it is not focusing on my hand now. So somewhere here. And that's it. We relieve catches. You see, these are catches, they go up and down. You can catch it and up and down. This thing slides. Many people just force it and just push the screwdriver in between. Well, this is, in my opinion, the safest method. If you have the tweezers without sharp edges, will be much better. But anyway, when you can see we're going here, you want to go between this catch and cup, so you're going a little bit in direction to the camera, right? Okay, so if you just go underneath and try to rip it off, you can break these slides because they just slide. Usually this plastic will bend, so it will not break, but this is long. If you're gonna do this key, it's more dangerous because it's short. The plastic will not bend. This plastic has got 1 centimeter. It can bend, so it can bend way more. When you want to put it back, see here you have slides, you have catches, so you want to leave these catches, slide the slides, and I didn't slide well, so again, slide, push, catches, perfect. Okay, so these guys I already checked, so I know, looking at it again, the hinge which is closer to the edge ends here, so slides will be here, and this is the same many times. Be careful, you can have different especially this sideway key, delete and escape, can be opposite way than this key, function key from function F1 up to F12, so inside as well. So here, as I said, I check it, the hinge close to the edge ends here, so these are slides. So I wanna go here, on this side should be catch, right? On this side I will try it from inside. And it was quite easy. But I was right. It catches here, slides here, right? Nothing is broken. These small are way more dangerous, so you should do it right here. You should do it here. Pry tweezers a little bit against the cup. That's it. I hope this helps, guys. Thanks for watching. I'm gonna make video how to remove these hinges safely as well. So stay tuned if you wanna know, because you get these aluminium hooks, and most of the time those get damaged when you remove it wrong way. You can theoretically grab it somewhere here and pull it around, but I have never tried. That's dangerous for me, so I'm gonna put it back. And thanks for watching, guys. Slide this side, push button, perfectly working. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope it helps.